Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Princess Diana, born Diana Frances Spencer on July 1, 1961 at Park House, Sandringham, England, was the youngest daughter of Edward John Spencer and Frances Ruth Burke Roach. Diana came from an aristocrat family with close connections to the British royal family, though her early life was marked by personal hardships, including the separation of her parents when she was 7 years old. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Magulo ang pagpapalaki kay Diana. Ang kanyang ina ay nakipaglaban sa mga isyu sa kalusugan ng isip at ang kanyang ama ay nakakuha ng kustodya sa mga bata pagkatapos ng diborsyo. Nag-aral si Diana sa ilang prestiyusong paaralan, kabilang ang Westheath School at Riddlesworth Hall, bago nag-aral sandali sa Institut Alpin Videmenet sa Switzerland. Siya ay isang mahiyain at reserbadong bata, ngunit kalaunan ay nakilala siya sa kanyang pakikiramay, dedikasyon sa mga gawaing pangkawang gawa at kakayahang komunikta sa iba. Noong 1980, ipinakilala si Diana kay Prince Charles, ang tagapagmana ng trono ng Britanya, at ang kanilang panliligaw ay mabilis na naging isang pampublikong gawain. Ang pagkipag-ugnayan ay inihayag noong February of 1981 at ang mag-asawa ay kinasal noong July 29, 1981 sa isang marangyang seremonya sa St. Paul's Cathedral sa London, which was broadcast to millions around the world. Diana at the age of 20 became Princess of Wales and her beauty and youth captivated the global public. Gayunpaman, ang kasal ni Diana kay Prince Charles ay pilit sa simula. Sa kabila ng kanilang panlabas ng perpektong imahe, si Charles ay may matagal na relasyon kay Camilla Parker Bowles, which created significant emotional tension. Diana, overwhelmed by public scrutiny and the pressures of royal life, struggled with mental health issues, including depression and bulimia. Ang kanyang mga personal na pakikibaka ay nadagdagan ng walang tigil na pagtutok ng media sa kanyang pribadong buhay. Despite her personal difficulties, Diana became a beloved figure due to her warmth, kindness, and commitment to humanitarian work. She championed numerous causes, particularly those related to children, homelessness, and HIV and AIDS awareness. Diana's groundbreaking visit to a hospital in 1987, where she shook hands with an AIDS patient without wearing gloves, helped to break the stigma surrounding the disease. She also worked to raise awareness of the dangers of landmines, visiting war-torn countries like Angola and Bosnia. After the couple's separation in 1992, Diana and Charles divorced in 1996. Following the divorce, Diana continued her charitable work, becoming a major advocate for social justice and the disadvantaged. Her relationship with Dodi Fide attracted media attention, and tragically, on August 31, 1997, Diana was killed in a car crash in Paris while being pursued by paparazzi. Diana's death left the world in mourning, and she is remembered not just for her role within the royal family, but for her humanitarian efforts, her emotional resilience, and her lasting impact on global issues. Her two sons, Prince William and Prince Harry, have carried on her legacy, with both involved in charity work and public service. Diana's influence continues to shape the royal family and the world and she remains an enduring symbol of compassion and change. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Rula Ghani, when values disappear, the first people to suffer are women because people start losing their respect for women. Special thanks to my source from Google, www.biography.com and https://enwikipedia.org. Photo credits to https://www.tatler.com and inspirational quotes credits to https://graciousquotes.com.